mantupa nampan ne sika kakra bi enkofo bi bedinti yesi enkofa asumesi bi mra so medi yanim ye be den uko defend the same uko kind of saying and then we have started a new patriotic party to the dogs.
I like the topic. The topic, me show headline no what you know about Canada, Japan. Oka say is not prepared for the president.
Yeah.
Yes, I listened. Me share the friend say the interview.
Okay.
Some years back before the election, our interview no cancer. They say he is not interested in becoming the president. That you rather. Wish that they give him contract instead of becoming the president. That's why that all of a sudden he has become like an impediment. Always causing problems in the party. Like he has become like
me me friend.
Okay. Okay, me dem twi ne ya pa. Enti no. Nyame anim
na impediment e twi mu there.
I'm school or Lagos. I'm
impediment you sewer kwan.
Okay. So that me kind of rare, but you can't deep pass. I'm saying to me beat me somehow.
Okay, so be our sewer kwan. I say,
and I said into tanninum.
I consider Obi are not respecting the palm, the way are not the lifestyle, how committed he was to NPP, and all of a sudden, I feel there. What's a sacra, I feel there, or I'm develop some kind of hatred, Yaman, or somehow. Well, that is politics for you. But maybe there, meaning say every responsible person knows, say, Baumia is the only candidate here. At this time around the party, if you are talking about Ghana democracy and politics, you will be a honorable NPP for NPP. Me a delegate member. The friend is a general engineer but
wow.
Your executive and friend is a standard branch executive platform. So now, ma include one man, no more. It takes the chairman to intervene because
there
may be a post far Baumiano. I said the Abufonia de respond to them and issue a platform also. Maybe I don't have any doubts about Baumia will emerge as the next NPP Faber and go ahead to win the election for MPP. Very good. With you.
Yes. But you being, I mean, from your voice at least, I mean, say, I know you are in your maybe late 40s or early 40s. So you have seen something small with your eyes. What do you think is going to be the danger of maybe choosing Honorable Ken as flag bearer? Just maybe one danger.
As far as I'm concerned, choosing Ken as the flag bearer, it will backfire because we don't know. We know Ken now. We know what he has done, what he has said in the past, and in politics, and yes, your friend is a former president of America, Obama, Assembly of Kai, will say Africa does not need strong leaders. We need strong institutions. Although the office be a strong or a harsh, that's not the way to go in politics. You need someone who is cool and collected, who is calm. And to me, say if MPP should present Ken this time, that's MPP and we near. It will hurt the party very, very bad. Because you might not find the like of Baumia again. You might not, because even if I were Baumia, I would not want to stand as a flag bearer for MPP again. And if Baumia and call this time, then MPP will stay in opposition for a very long time. Because if Ken face, it will backfire. It will backfire seriously to the party. Intermediate is the best person to be represented to Baumia. Every other person is a gamble. It's a risk.
Yo, me that's it, Papa. Asanteman TV. Yo, Ocheman, Akwaba.
Many are major sooner upon to say.
Oh, yes, I don't mean who you announce.
About the other room. And Uncle Man
I'm sure I need to my power. Last year, campaign, always on the bus, giving us updates, and even after that, you have not relented. Nyakupon Shirawati.
For God and country. Say,
Yo,
man,
let's hear you.
I mean, chair, Babija for our more platform is almost show. When I show figure and a chichiri menche, bria, and chakessie, and a manner. Before me call research na all the what they can introduce you and so no. Me call Kennedy na also on president crowd they won't pay. Our can 2018 no.
I didn't mean that.
Ewa kan mamre mu no. But what me nkai?
Yeah, me too.
Ewa kan mamre mu no yebu bebe say obia pekwase agro die. Na wo die yempe. Asechire ni nyina ne say sebi won say nkwala na omo asomo ye eyi kakra na omudi agro na yesre na omudi agro ye ka we no yesre obi apeso no omudi agro but I say obawo ne say oba de ompe ebi na NPP ya ba beto like ba yen so no kana Japan akwai to say obi ya we entertain ye. In fact, one of the biggest fan market in Japan, make a home be pa, obi a opeka nkombo, kasa radio so ameti, manage home because of fire, because of Canada. But sadrin chile no so no, ye prepare o se bedi hine. Our camera no ye use se bedi hine ya, ye check o background. So wakodi di atembi da, wakoye tattoo bi, wakobo chrono bi. Akoya die bi ebe gu se achimman a na sasanti man ebe gu manimu ase se hwehwe na se sanwoma we nyina wa ye bi a yenye dai ye mfa hini ni ma nti na se oba kan mamle mu na se ye ka se ye be che hini a ana so obi ye de hye na otimi de hini ye ya ye de ne ko hye ba bi na egrumi no ye che na mamle ni amane ne nsem bi a wo so ka ene nsem bi a onye de onka Sebi onye kwahwe apa bia ono onye na dwe so oyo odehye wabọ ne bra wa keka ne nkwasiasem wadidi na hujaziem to wakeke ye nkwasi ade nyina afede osimi wosika nti ohe no me baba je sebi o untimi fa nkwa santimemu untimi fa nkwa chimemu votare ju untimi fa nkọ no de untimi fa nkọ half untimi fa nkọ ne ba ne sei ene de NPP mo bi a on nanwen ye prepare no see de ne ba be di hine ana ye de ne ba be di anim as a kind of for ene de nkofo bi so wonye sika ntie fa ne mra ene de nkofo bi so wonye sika ntie fa ne mra na asem we so wo ye dehye wo ye Ghana ni ya tetew o kasa mu onim die mu bibia na ye decide we brewa wani beje hu enra me ni ma me bi kasa ena o ka kire me say woni de papa ba ko na opo oni de wa kanadwe o ena me say ampa ma me wa ya de wo de no ana ape me kra na no ana na me po because o kanadwe eno na pese o ka ba so me di manim de o se de bi o di enu me be na ma me ibusa akwahye ba ko wutimi yi ma no a asesam na o ka na ma be di wachi o se me musa esima me obai akosia ne ho fefefe owie legon obai a owie legon ya na no ne brofo ene na okwakofa be ma be fie e ma be ma na be wale na sabio be ma otimi di oba atema de na se edi na tem na wo ma mi so ochina na wo yi obai wase oba be di watema de wase be di watema obedwa mu a ma me ebe ya ode wase me ma me banko wale za kwase ampani no. Hey, I know what is on your more baby so. I say what you want your body pa. What's all your bad, oh your bad. I'm saying you're bad. Me you're bad. And you're no crack because the brain are down. CBSC and Rollins regime. Rollins to me back castle. If it's only about that, what Timmy said, be a mammy mo, yet Timmy Cho near the my trauma say, Obi, I want your ma or tongue near Koji. If you say, was it me a president, me penqua, some would Jimmy a pauso. Near ya runs a qua. Now, NPP, damn what buzzer dumbo tradition. Rollins was it NPP party? No, they are the most dangerous party in the world. Was it they keep on changing their name, but they are the same people because person and your man answer for that. Yempe uja, yempo bio ekidikidi, yempo bio kankwasasem, yempo bio osebio or say mercy. This is our tradition. Then they see Jamasi and Tumpa Nampai and my ne Sikaka Krebi and Konfobi Bedinti. You see, Uncle Fasu Bimra, so maybe a name, hey, you better who could defend the same, who can say, and then we have started a new patriotic party to the dogs. Yeah, I'm on your new patriotic party. Yeah, we have torn your integrity, you have torn your dignity, you have torn your big PR to the dogs. In fact, Mama Yen, who ye say a quay kind before Ben Yakuina obey to me, Amaye. In the history of this country, only John Dramani Mahama impo no your president and your president in Owini one touch. No, your president too. Obi Ababa vice president. In fact, you can see Ajia to say, and your mother be why am why. Yes, you have a traffic. Ya pack Ghana for ya pomo chow. Say, your mother be am one for chain. Next, your mother boy, dear, and daughters in ya am one.
Yeah.
Go GT where you move, so we about 3 years, bit me a yampire. Go for GT where you move, one district, one factory, and pa. And your mother be but decision be a take here. And the young see who your mistake, and the committee, you say, yes, our committee mistakes, and so near Sanko G 2 million a day, Emra. Now, Freddy Eden, and they say, could change the candidate, Yamaka in a way, the posters were all over the country. Obi, yes, Minia.
Just to ask you this finally, who you have first hand been close to Dr. Baumia?
Yeah.
The person. They only see him on camera, I mean, from videos.
Yes.
The personal experience from being close to the man Baumia any day.
In fact, boss, yeah, can't Obi a winning dear. And now on any part as a Tinemono. What say you are working with a leader on your discrimination. Like, you say, one share video, be how can one no pin pamo that be. Baumiati within there, or who ne? Baby, or who be or Kyle. One thing I love about the man, or you're great listener. In fact, your team no go na BBS. Na my phone. Na my testing a message. I did about you know who's a change day. Aba. In fact, you remember that was Thursday. You Kumasi. Now 1 and 2 because so. Jimmy Catcher was oh wow. And I was saying so why now wait me na me bo ni pa no ko ni dey. What be say we am ho na ni pa ko ni frame say oche papa say o be can say yes me na me can me hu say enyoma we ni enyoma we nye dey. Enye because say oh yeah obi a oh yeah great listener. O kasa mu a otu ho na mo. This is a leader. In fact, say Obia Puno, say Bia, me support that. Me support because I see something different in him. On your say Bia, me a doctor, me a president, me a vice president. It is said because share ko ebe ti say me. On ma kwai say me ne bekasa. O say who you Obia one number testing. Obe ready I responded to you. Actually say I will work on it. In fact, I'm making me so proud that NPP will get this leader who will listen and act. So the only day we obey, you say a grandfather can say, "What's a penny more? We obey." So what can say when I say Mati you Mati? Say fan to kwama. But so tie no to one number one means or your leader you can rely on him. So mine here the channel sir. Then you maybe go na Ghana for kasa. Or bet na say tie. Ahwe ade enyoma to akwa the good decision I dey. Aba this is what me who Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Eti yesre Ghana for. Oma ye nyina embrace we NDC no. We NPP no baby oma na ekono. Ye nim say John Dramani Mahama ne 4 years aso. Ma omo yom ti so omo ba ne de. Whoever will meet Bawumia will beat him 100 times. It's my mistake. If Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bra, and we did say for the first time, one party will serve as 4-year term, and the new patriotic party will come and rule the Ghana again.
No, me that say, Ochiman, excellent communication and thanks for doing the good work. Uncle Ernest, good evening.
Fine evening. Fine evening.
Mpacho biaboko.
Nabiado biaboko. Did you cannot michia all the members who platform is. And then you are part of the support to the precision image of NPP.
Amen.
Now, Dr. Bawumia nipa ono ana bitime ledi NPP. No bitime ledi Ghana. Because Dr. Bawumia nipa bia the whole world is recognized for the development of digital applications. Say drone how I utilize yama nipa bia hu the functions and how it helps in rural areas now. It's well recognized in the whole world. The delegates no na some say just give chance to Bawumia. Nation need the obeying, no doubt, because all his policies and then all the lies are already good soon and then almost lies no one by one. Look at how I'm the after told us. Look at how it came out a new one. You see, though won't say corruption as Sikasimbi upon all the oral for the back you didn't hear anything bad against our dear future president. It is delegates, and a proper show. And I don't want to speak against any of the aspirants because we say Bawumia baby. But for future unity into Hada Bibiano, we measure me Kasawo other aspirants, even if they go about Krada, we know how to manage them. Nemo Nyamiyadum, let's see, then Doctor Eseka Budina. He became the leader of the party. And I know sometimes, Onipa being with me, so group with and the you can send you out from the party because you have 3 years to defend and pull the party to win the election. But you see, under the Kasa, some Kasa, but yet the campaign delegates know the importance say the Bawumia echo sa battle. Ken Udin the supporters now no here. Ubitimi kasema yes I know free self platforms because I am look at say the two they are not defending NPP and then yeah and this 4-year crowd they are speaking ill against every a party for because only that I can or a campaign said here or the other party be there compete. Won't mean you free Nanado Bawumia administration. You can't. Won't mean you free. But Champo won't mean you free. These people, the other ones. Aduchum, ultimately free because we are more play a good role or abandon. It is a bad rule be a you have to accept it. It is who a lawyer or someone accept it. And but Umia is a lawyer person, honest, decent, and we're intelligent. I say yes, we did a lot. But the Nipa Biano, the Nipa and the Nipa Papano, on any last and the Panica. Now look at free education now. What has happened? We have to digitalization system replacement. But now, but we are a duchum. Munjano. Murana, I didn't come. I didn't think that there are person you go for flow. Near me mistakes, I was say, and you bomb jano. And the moment mu campaign. Mudi say bad the bonnie namuka papa bonnie namuka against one person. And so that's the painful part of it. And then so you good. And then that the were very prominent, you know. And then nipe sorry Indiano. And the deeper sorry Mutiano. The delegates in we are on our knees. Some mumu say Modi money better for because sika any adwin nyansa hu nyansa sika because who sika nanum nyansa ni betumi agiska firi wonsem yes some maska no e me dada mu nkoto ababone this time no the umia and the person was say obi anim no the whole world anim no the whole Africa omunim no Ghana be bia yin no na fe na so ko change na ko fa Canada Japan won't me there was on presidential material but he's a prominent person and ko no one we financial financial patronage patronage be anti strongly no na uta partnership we financial naka when mo nyam kuta kama na obodo party ni na say the whole year I said the whole person ko party if you want to go ni nya da any adwuma so can Japan so opposite kwa onko ni nya da ni onko dia on follow rules no nya tem de die no insinuation ni na meaningless